Burger sa akin. Labog ka!
So hello guys, welcome to our new vlog. So I am Laiden John Ilimpio, a student from Agusan del Sur State College of Agriculture and Technology, which is ASCAT ni siya. So ang atong topic karon is symmetry for undirected graphs. And adjacency matrix representing undirected graphs. Symmetry is a key features. If there's an edge connecting vertex I to vertex G, this is reflected in both cells, which is IG and GI. The adjacency matrix is symmetric because the relationship between two vertices is reciprocal in an undirected graph. This means that if you can travel from vertex I to vertex G, you can also travel from vertex G to vertex I. So the symmetry of the adjacency matrix result in the symmetric structure across and its diagonal, dividing the matrix into two equal halves. Another important property of adjacency matrix relates to degrees of vertices. For an undirected graph, the sum of the entries in a row or column due to symmetry of an adjacency matrix corresponds to the degree of vertex associated with that row or column. The degree of vertex is the number of edge connected to the vertex. So, moro to ang example niya. So, grabe ka, very basic lang gid kay ni siya nga topic. So, kadto lang, thank you sa inyong pagtanaw.
Burger sa akin.